Hi everyone, this is the Simple Dad. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your chat history on the DeepSeek AI. So if you've recently been using the DeepSeek AI and you've been asking questions here, however, if you tap on the two lines at the top left, you see your chat history. Then let me show you how you can delete those searches from here. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store. You want to search for the DeepSeek AI and you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app here, you go ahead and tap on these two lines at the top left, then tap on your name or your email address at the bottom left. From here, go ahead and find the option, delete all chats. Tap on this, and this will basically ask you if you want to delete all the chat history for this account. This will be erased and cannot be recovered, so go ahead and confirm that. And now the chat history has been deleted. If you press X, you should see nothing here and you should see a display here saying no chat yet. Your chat with DeepSeek will be displayed here once you start chatting with it. So there you go guys, that is how to delete all the chat history on DeepSeek AI. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.